This is the novice final hit, guys. Novice final hit. Ron Balidor. Ron Balidor, guys, ang nauna. Ron Balidor. Ron Balidor, guys. Malone, pangalawa si Malone, guys. Oh! Inunahan siya ni Klang Abar-Abar, guys. Abar-Abar na yung pangalawa. Third si Malone. Humahabol si Balazo. This is the Novice Open final hit, guys. Ito na, Ron Balidor with the first position. The Martis Racing Team occupies the first and second position. Malone. Oh, Ron Balidor, first position. Klang Abar-Abar, second. Malone with the third. Balazo, hinahabol siya ni nakuha siya ni Jam Saburao, guys. Ito, guys, Jam Saburao with the fourth position. Iba talaga. Pride of Cagayan de Oro. Ron Balidor, Klang Abar-Abar, Pride of Bukidnon. This is the Novice Open final hit here at Baongon, Bukidnon. Baongon, that's Baongon. Libona pala, guys, sorry. Libona, Bukidnon. If hindi ka pa naka-follow sa aking page, guys, follow mo na para makita kayo ng mga ganitong intense battle sa Philippine Motocross. Ito na, guys. Iba talaga. Whoop section. Hinahabol ni first pa rin si Papa Ron Balidor, guys. Abar with the second position. Malone with the third position. Jam Saburao, fourth position. Fifth position, Balazo. Ron Balidor, first siya kanina sa first hit, guys. First sa dito, siya ang overall champion sa Novice Open. At same din sa position sa kanyang kakampi, guys, si Klang Abar-Abar. He is second kanina sa first hit. So if he got second, siya yung second overall sa Novice Open. Ito na, guys. Hinahabol pa rin ni Malone yung second na si Klang Abar-Abar. Ito, guys, Jam Saburao, fourth position. Balazo, fifth. I don't know what's the name of this rider, guys. Iba talaga. Jam Saburao lumilipad sa Libuna, Bukidnon. First pa rin si Kwan, guys. Second. Papa Ron Balidor, first position. Second si Klang Klang Abarabar ang kanyang kakampi guys. Followed by Malone. Fourth si Jam Saburaw. Muntikan na si Jam guys. Balazo with the 5th position. Ito guys, ang gagaling ng mga novice. If hindi ka pa naka-follow sa aking page guys, follow na para makakita kayo ng mga ganitong intense battles sa Philippine Motocross guys. Oh, same pa rin ang position ha. Same pa rin. Ron Valledor pa rin nakakuha ng first position. No changes so far. Kanyang kakampi is second si Klang Klang Abarabar, followed by Malone. Lumalayo na si Malone guys kang Jam Saburaw. Klang Klang Abarabar. Ba talaga guys. This is Mindanao. Klang Klang Abarabar. Malone. Lapper yan guys ha. Ang nagsisunod ni Malone. Hindi yan si Stanley guys. I don't think that is Stanley. White flag has been waved. So last lap na lang ni Papa Ron Valledor para siya ang tinanghal na overall champion ng Novice Open. Whoop section, Ron Valledor. His teammate Klang Klang Abarabar is second position. Malone with the third position. Eto na ba guys, the Martis Racing Team shows their dominance in Novice Open. So paki-follow ng page guys para sa mga highlights na ito. Munti ka na. Isang liko na lang para matananghal na overall champion si Ron Valledor. Triple ni Ron. Champion si Ron Valledor guys. Second ang kanyang teammate na si Klang Klang Abarabar. The Martis Racing Team occupies the first and second position. Third is Malone. Fourth is Jam Saburaw. I don't think kung sino ang third overall guys ha. But sure ako na first overall si Valledor and second overall si Abar-Abar. That's it. That's the Novice Open final hit.